Changelly Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Changelly isn't just another crypto exchange. You won't believe how simple it makes swapping cryptocurrencies instantly. Most people get this wrong by thinking the platform is expensive, but the surprising truth is Changelly's fees are transparent and competitive compared to other services. Changelly charges a 0.5% service fee on each transaction, with additional network transaction fees depending on the blockchain. Most people get this wrong by assuming hidden costs exist. Everything is displayed clearly before you confirm a swap. You won't believe how many coins and tokens are supported, including major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as hundreds of altcoins. Platform is beginner friendly and doesn't require creating a traditional account, making it quick to use. Pro users can integrate a PIS and access advanced features for higher volume trades. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of speed and ease of use when trading multiple coins in volatile markets. In conclusion, Changelly pricing is straightforward and competitive, offering a convenient way to swap cryptocurrencies with minimal hassle. By understanding the service fee and network charges, you can maximize your trades while keeping costs transparent. It's more than a crypto exchange, it's a fast and reliable trading solution.